Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Outlook and focus on the message list to find the search box. Click the search box or press Ctrl+E to move focus quickly to that field. Type a clear keyword such as invoice or form 1099 to locate matching emails in your current folder. Use quotes around exact phrases like monthly report to limit results to precise text. Pause briefly after typing. Outlook begins returning matches instantly as you type. This gets you fast results without opening search settings or dialogues. Refine results using simple search modifiers built into Outlook for precise filtering. Type from Alice at example. Com to show messages from a specific sender. Use subject, invoice to find messages with that word in the subject line. Add has attachments, yes to restrict results to messages that include files. Combine terms with and, or to mix filters and keywords for complex queries. For example, type subject, invoice and has attachments, yes to find invoices that include attachments. After initial results, open the Search tab to refine scope and options quickly. Select current folder, subfolders, or all mailboxes to change where Outlook looks. Use the drop-down to include or exclude items like calendar or tasks for broader searches. Save frequent searches as a search folder for one-click reuse and faster access later. Use advanced query syntax with parentheses and quotes when building complex expressions. Clear the search with the X in the search box or press ESC to return to your normal view.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.